PM-WANI is a unique initiative to build decentralized Wi-Fi networks across India to bring broadband to more people. At Airwaive, we're excited to be a part of the PM-WANI initiative, using our marketplace to connect PDOAs with PDOs. A PDOA is a Public Data Office Aggregator, and we'll go over what that means in a little bit. And we'll also cover in this video the benefits for PDOAs to deploy networks faster, easier, and cheaper. In Airwaive, a PDOA is essentially a wireless operator. And Airwaive's marketplace makes it easy to find host locations to build Wi-Fi networks. And in Airwaive, a PDO, or Public Data Office, is that host location, such as a retail store, where Wi-Fi equipment is placed to help build a public Wi-Fi network. Now let's take a look at how this works in Airwaive. A PDOA is an operator, so we're using the operator application in Airwaive, and we're going to search for PDOs on a map. So give it a center point and make as big or small as a coverage area that you want to find PDOs. Now in the next step, we need to determine how many PDOs are needed. And the helpful maps here can be used based on frequency, and PM-WANI will use 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi with a minimum separation distance between your PDOs at 150 meters, but this can be changed. So this will help you to determine how many PDOs by filling out in the area how many you need, and it'll automatically calculate that for you. And then the next step is to determine the offer. It might maybe based on a revenue share. And then lastly, the equipment that's being used and the contract. These were preloaded. And then you send these offers to PDOs in the area. Next, we're going to look at the PDO's view of it. Again, a PDO is a host in Airwaive, and this could be something like a retail store that has interest. They type their address, and they see the amount that you're offering, and they understand and recognize that it's based on a revenue share of your percentage that you choose. They will see the equipment and the equipment price, what they have to purchase, and instructions on how to purchase it. Lastly, they'll apply for this offer by providing information about the property type and its height, and maybe the internet provider and speed. Once they apply, you'll receive this in your queue. Lastly, it returns back to you, the PDOA, the operator. Click on the application detail and find the information about that PDO and the information they provided in their application form. See where that PDO location is on a map in two-dimensional view, or use the network planning tools that we built in three-dimensional mode. Click on it and see the surrounding buildings and area, perform other features such as coverage maps and line of sight analysis, or click on a building and see what it looks like. Now, when you're ready to make a decision, you can review the contract. We take all the information that you have provided about the equipment and your terms, such as a revenue share, put that into a contract and prepare it for online signature. When you press accept, it will send this contract to that PDO for signature. There's a lot more features in Airwaive, but that covers a quick high level on how you can find PDOs using the marketplace.